The OneOdio Focus A5 headphones immediately grab your attention with their elegant design and promise of cutting-edge audio performance. Designed for both audiophiles and casual users, these headphones bring a mix of style, comfort, and technology to enhance your listening experience. From immersive soundscapes to adaptive noise control, the Focus A5 is packed with features that cater to modern audio needs. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The unboxing experience of the OneOdio Focus A5 headphones is nothing short of exciting. Inside the well-secured packaging, you'll find OneOdio Focus A5 headphones, neatly folded for compact storage, USB-C charging cable, ensuring fast and efficient charging, 3.5mm cable, offering a reliable wired connection option, user manual guiding you through setup and operation. The headphones come encased in protective foam. Setting up is effortless, allowing you to dive into the music right away. Design and build. The Focus A5 headphones are a visual treat. They sport a sleek black matte finish with subtle branding, exuding a modern and professional vibe. The ergonomic protein leather ear cushions are soft and snug, ensuring long hours of comfortable wear. A foldable design enhances portability, making them a great companion for frequent travelers. The lightweight build doesn't compromise durability, thanks to its high-quality materials that promise long-term use. Features and performance. The OneOdio Focus A5 comes packed with an array of impressive features. AI-powered adaptive noise cancellation. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet cafe, the adaptive ANC effectively minimizes ambient noise, offering a truly immersive experience. Transparency mode. This feature ensures you remain aware of your surroundings while enjoying your favorite tunes or podcasts. LDAC high-res audio. Experience studio quality sound with enhanced clarity and rich detail. The LDAC technology ensures every note is heard the way it was intended. 75-hour battery life. Enjoy uninterrupted playback for up to 75 hours on a single charge. Need a quick top-up? Just 5 minutes of charging delivers 5 hours of playtime. Comfort-centric design. The upgraded memory foam cushions and adjustable headband make these headphones ideal for extended listening sessions. Wireless and wired compatibility. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless, wireless connectivity and a 3.5mm jack for wired use, the Focus A5 offers versatility across devices. Audio quality. The Focus A5 headphones excel in audio delivery, striking a balance between deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Thanks to LDAC high-res technology, you'll enjoy an elevated listening experience with intricate sound details and minimal distortion. Whether it's the heavy beats of EDM or the soft acoustics of classical music, these headphones adapt beautifully to various genres, making every listening session a joy. Usage and comfort is paramount, and the OneOdio Focus A5 delivers on this front. The lightweight frame and padded ear cushions ensure fatigue-free usage, even during long listening sessions. The foldable design adds convenience, allowing you to carry these headphones with ease. Conclusion. The OneOdio Focus A5 headphones, hybrid active noise-canceling headphones, are a fantastic choice for those seeking premium audio quality with advanced features at an affordable price. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, and stylish design, these headphones cater to diverse listening needs, whether you're a commuter, a gamer, or simply someone who loves music. The Focus A5 proves to be an excellent all-rounder, offering unparalleled value in its segment. So, If you're ready to elevate your audio experience, these headphones are undoubtedly worth considering. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.